Hi everybody, I'm here for a quick little unboxing video. And other than my Cocoa Daisy, this will probably be the last unboxing for the summer. I do have some process videos coming up, but I wanted to show you, I got something in the post today from Rowena at Sojourner. And as you can see, this lovely pile of Roadrunner, this has something to do with it. So let me show you what sizes I have in Roadrunner. I have my passport, and this was the first thing in Roadrunner I got ever. Then my pocket or field note size. I have a personal size in Roadrunner. I have a B6 in Roadrunner. I have the standard Midori with the 4 elastics, and it has an interior pocket. And my beloved A5 Traveler, which has a bunch of art journals and something cute that arrived today also. A Karopi folder and some Karopi vinyl decals. So what we have in the package is Roadrunner leather, and it's something a little unique. So let's pull that out. Make sure I'm in good frame. So like with all of Rowena's packages, they all come with the little R sticker. And let's see. Ooh, look how beautiful that is. So I've been using this last year. I actually started in the fall. I started in August. I've been using a standard Midori single elastic, and this is just one of mine in the brown, but I've been using it for, I haven't had with my schedule that much time for arting, and so I have had time to, write down just some things that have happened, maybe, like when I got a Midori Traveler's Notebook, put in like when I judged a competition, just like little memory keeping arty things, but nothing, too out there, and just a little bit of journaling. And I love the standard Midori size, but it's always my one little complaint is it's been just a little too narrow to fully fit everything in it that I want. But I love it. But I also love the Roadrunner leather. So we'll set that there. I asked Rowena to make a standard size, but to just include one elastic, like the Midori. So you'll see we have this beautiful, beautiful Roadrunner leather, pull-up leather, the beautiful, wow. And like all Roadrunner leather, it smells amazing. It smells like a fine boot or a really nice leather belt. So, because I like the simplicity of the single elastic. So, all of this stuff that I've got under this one elastic, which is a lot, I admit, I freely admit there's a lot of stuff here. I have, oh, and she included it with, looks like a white dot grid Tomoe River paper. Really pretty. So that will get used. But what you can see I have is this is actually a Traveler's Notebook, a Traveler's Factory folder. This is the Traveler's Factory weekly undated calendar, where you got, it's, what is that? Vertical. Back of the folder. This is one of the Faroof zipper pouches. One of the writing boards. Oh, that's scrap paper. We don't need that in there. And so that's what we have in there. So it's a lot of stuff. I freely admit for a Midori, for a Traveler's Factory notebook, it's a lot of stuff. Oh, I think I put it under the wrong one. Yes, I did. So, all of that stuff. Oh, look at that. Fits so nicely in the Roadrunner. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And so that way, if I get tired of my brown, which you can see has been used lovingly, it's got some beautiful scuff marks on it. And that's one thing that I love about Traveler's notebooks is, you know, they really show their wear. I mean, this Roadrunner I've had for, this is the first one I got, and I've had it for over a year. And you can still see, you know, how beautiful the leather is. It's been used, it's been scratched up, but it's a beautiful piece of leather. And so there you go. Look at that beauty. So what I will do is I will link Sojourner down below. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Or if you have a comment, you know, or anything you want to ask, leave it down there. And I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.